Okay, now I'm going to read this, and I want you to make sure you write this information down because it's important to make sure you understand the problem. So here it says, a hospital uses a 15% bleach solution to disinfect a quarantine area. How much 6% bleach solution must be mixed with an 18% bleach solution to make 50 liters of a 15% bleach solution? Okay, so now, so here's the thing. What's the thing? The hospital uses a 15% bleach solution to clean and disinfect. So what do they have in stock? They have a 6% bleach solution and an 18% bleach solution available. Okay, so they've got to mix the two solutions in order to come up with a 15% solution that they can use. And on top of that, they want 50 liters, right? Okay, so here's where we're going to have to set up a system of equations. Now, in this example, it's very helpful to set up a table when you're working on these, okay? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to set up a table. Okay, and so I'm going to have what? So let's say this column is the 6% solution, and this is the 18% solution, and the 15% solution, right? And let's say this is going to be the amount of mixture, right? And this is the amount of bleach, pure bleach. Okay? Okay, now, so we want we have to have two equations, right? One is we need to have a total of 50 liters, right? So let's say that's the amount of the mixture, right? So we have to have a certain amount of this plus a certain amount of this has to equal 50 liters, right? So we don't know the amounts. So those are the unknowns. We're going to use X and Y for those. So we need X liters of the 6% solution plus Y liters of the 18% solution. And when we add them, they have to add up to 50 liters. Now, that's the dealing with the mixture part. Now, what about pure bleach? Well, we need to have enough bleach of the 6% bleach, right? We got to add enough bleach to this. Oh, let me repeat this. Let me repeat myself. Let me change what I'm saying. We want to take the bleach in here, right? The bleach in this one, plus the bleach in this one, and add it to the bleach in this so that the total is 15%. So in other words, we're going to take 6% of, because this is a 6% solution, so that means the amount of pure bleach in X liters is going to be 0.06X. The amount of bleach in Y liters of the 18% solution would be 0.18Y. And now that's going to add to what? That has to be what? 15% of the 50 liters. So that's going to be 0.15 times 50. And now we can set up our two equations with two unknowns, right? So now what we're going to get is we get x plus y has to equal 50, but we also know that 0.06x plus 0.18y has to equal what? 7.5. Okay? And now, at this point, we could do either one. We could do method of addition or substitution. Okay, it's totally up to you. Okay, so let's do substitution. So let's do y equals 50 minus x. And so this will be 0.06x plus 0.18 times the quantity, 50 minus x, equals 7.5. So now let's solve this, and now we'll get the calculator. So this is going to be, let's do it over here. So this is going to be 0.06x plus 9, right? So this is going to be 9 minus 0.18x equals 7.5. And so now I'm going to add like terms. So 0.06 minus 0.18 is going to be negative 0.12x plus 9 equals 7.5. If I subtract 9 from both sides, I get negative 0.12x is going to equal negative 1.5. And so if I divide both sides by negative 0.12, okay, I get x equals 1.5 divided by 0.12. Okay, and that's where I'm going to have to get my calculator. And so what do I get? I get, let's see, I get 12.5, right? 12.5. Yes, 12.5 liters. So that's going to equal 12.5 liters. And now all I have to do is use this equation here. I'm done, right? Because y is equal to 50 minus this. So if this is 12.5, then y equals 50 minus 12.5, which is going to equal 37.5. 37.5 liters. So that's the answer. So so the answer, again, because it's an application problem, we need to make sure our answers are in the context of the problem. So this is what you would write. So the answer is we will need 37.5 liters of the what? Of the 18% solution, and we're going to need 12.5 liters of the 6% solution in order to have 50 liters that is 15% bleach solution. And that is it.